Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today we're going to be doing a makeup look inspired by the music video and song Lavender Haze. It's one of my favorite songs and the music video was very beautiful and cloud-like and lavender and everything beautiful and purple. I loved a lot of the shots that they did, very creative. But we're first going to be going in with a nice eyeshadow base and it just matches my skin tone really well and keeps my eyeshadow on all day. I'm going to show you two options. They're both from Colourpop. This is the Colourpop just a glitch eyeshadow palette that has a nice lavender, or the Fade Into You Colourpop palette. And I do use a lot of these purples right here that I show in the look, but I did go in with that lavender from the Just a Glitch eyeshadow palette just because I thought it was the perfect lavender tone. It was matte, didn't have any shimmer in it, and I wanted to start in with a nice matte shadow on my flat angled brush to really carve out the shape that I was looking for. I wanted to do a nice cat eye, graphic eyes sort of moment. I think I might wear this for the concert depending. I still need to pick out my outfit, but I really enjoyed the way this looked and I got so many compliments on it at work, which was cool. But this looks really simple. You can really just go in with this shadow and then go in with the liner I do later, and that could be the end of the look. But I did do a few different tones of lavender just to give it some more dimension. I really love wearing lavenders because it makes my eyes look like amber, or that amber stone from Jurassic Park. I feel like that's what my eyes look like when I wear anything lavender or some cool toned shadow. It just really enhances the warmth in my eyes and it's super fun. But I go ahead and recreate that on my other eye until it's perfect. And I use a wet Q-tip and really sharpen up those lines if I mess up. It's a really easy hack to get clean lines. How have you been lately? I've been feeling very sad. The world is a very dark place. People are scary and doing scary things, and the laws that are happening right now are really scary and harmful towards others that have differences, and I just want to make sure everyone feels loved and safe. But you know what always makes me feel loved and safe? Makeup, and especially glitter. So we're gonna go in with some glitter and try to cure some of that sadness I'm feeling. We're going to carve out our eyeliner with this nice, it's very holographic, it's that kind of silver that's like rainbow iridescent, stunning. But we're going to just basically follow the same line of my eyeshadow and do a little outline of that glitter. This definitely was a little tricky for me. This eye I kind of messed up a lot, and then the other eye I did a lot better, but I am going to go in later and add some more dimension with a darker purple. And it's easy to just kind of like wipe away or cover up with some more shadow if you mess up. That's what I had to do, and clean it up a little bit because I was a little bit too messy with it. And it's definitely, that's good to practice, because when I did my second eye it looked so much better than the first one. Rewatching this is making me get even more excited for my Taylor Swift concert. Like I said, the world is like very dark right now. I'm trying not to let it affect me as much as it does. I just have like the most like empathetic soul where I feel everything all at once, and it's just sometimes really hard to deal with. But I'm trying to remind myself that I have all these exciting things coming up to keep me going and making me feel positive, and trying to help with any kind of sadness I'm feeling. I have Taylor Swift coming up. I'm going to go on a vacation. I'm going to be getting some tattoos when I finally plan that. I have a trip with my mom for Mother's Day. So I think that's always something that people need to be doing in their lives to help with all this terrible things happening right now. Just keep all those happy, positive goals and things that you have going on in your life to keep you going and help you feel more happy. We're taking a darker metallic purple and we just kind of put that in the crease and add it for some more shading and dimension. And if you accidentally took too much away, you just take that glitter liner and put it right over. I was pretty happy with how this turned out. It was fun and it was exactly what I was envisioning in my brain. Now we're going to coat our lashes with a mascara, and I'm using my Wet n Wild Care Bear Collection one. It's a pretty good one. It would have looked better if I could have got all the lash glue out of my eyelashes, but we're going to be putting on our eyebrows now. are using our Maybelline Express Brow Micro Brow Pencil in dark black brown. This is, like I said, my new favorite eyebrow pencil. It's the perfect tone for my eyebrows, especially when I color my hair this weekend. I even find the microness of this even better than my old e.l.f. one that I used to love. It's just easier to create the brow strokes that I want, and it also has a little spoolie, which is also a nice addition. We're going in with the AF94 false advertising eyelashes in the purple ones, and these are even more subtle than the blue ones that I did before. You can barely see the purple on them. It's very subtle. I love them, but for this look, but I probably won't be wearing these for the concert just because I like AF94 as a brand for most of their stuff, but their lashes are just not it for me. I feel like when they're on my eyes, they look fake, which obviously they're fake lashes, but maybe they just need some more wear time to feel more adhered to my eye. We're going in with a nice icy lavender from that Colourpop palette, and we put that in our inner corner just to highlight a little bit. We're going in with the Revlon Photo Ready Prime Plus Mattifying and Pore Reducing Primer. I'm getting pretty low on this, and I hadn't used it since summer, so I figured try to use it up and get rid of it and start using all the primers that I do have. Definitely not the most pore reducing primer that I've used, but it is a nice one from the drugstore. We're going to be mixing two foundations today. The Physicians Formula Butter Believe It Foundation plus Concealer, and the Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint. The skin tint is on more of the lighter coverage, where the Physicians Formula one is definitely more high coverage, so I thought they'd make a good mix-in combo, and I was right. I really like the Physician Formula Butter Believe It Foundation for summer. It's so long wearing and wears really well in the heat. It has a nice mattifying quality. For our concealer, we're just going to be using the Rare Beauty Positive Light Under Eye Brightener to highlight under our eyes and around our face. Not because I didn't want too much coverage, but I did want to brighten it up a little bit. I hadn't used this in a while, so I got the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder to set my face, and it's an okay powder. Now that I've experimented with more powders, it's definitely not my favorite, and there's better ones out there, but it was a good one and I want to use it up. I got this new e.l.f. Duo brush. It's a nose contour brush. One's more flatter and the other side's a little bit more fluffy to like blend out those lines, and I really like it. And I used my Symphony Contour Trio in Light from Colitis to contour my nose and snatch up my jawline and my cheeks and around my face. I love contouring. It's such a fun art form. You can really change the shape of your face and make you feel super confident. So don't ever let anyone judge you for contouring, because it can make you feel beautiful, and I want everyone to feel beautiful and as good as they can on an everyday basis. I think I'm going to do at least one more Taylor Swift concert inspired look, maybe maroon, and then I'll call it quits on the Taylor Swift stuff. I know not everyone's a huge fan, but I just thought this would be a fun little series to do, and maybe I'll do it with other musicians. I definitely love Ariana Grande, so maybe I'll do some more of hers. And I'm still thinking about doing a concert inspired look, more just to see and try on all the stuff in my closet I already own, see if I have anything, and maybe you guys can help me pick what I wear. We're going to be putting on this blush from Essence Cosmetics and Goldie Cassis. So they're baked blushes, and I'm obsessed with these baked blushes that they put out. They are so glowy. They make your skin just look enhanced and stunning and airbrushed, and you could technically skip the highlighter because they have some shimmer in there, but I always add a little highlighter. But they really make your skin look alive and stunning. I'm going in with this Colourpop Super Shock Highlighter in Manifest That. The sticker on the front is an Animal Crossing sticker I put on it, and I just thought it looked so cute because the font on the Colourpop packaging always rubs off, and why not put a cute sticker on top, because I love the shape of this compact. It's so fun. But this highlighter is very purple, pink, icy based, and I thought this would be perfect as my highlighter on my face, my nose. I put it on my inner corner and a little on my brow bone as well, just to tie it all together. We're going to be applying the Colourpop Disney Hocus Pocus 2 BFF mascara. This was limited edition. It's the Butcherson shade, and it's a nice eggplant purple. I love this. I feel like it tied really well into the makeup look, and this is one of those mascaras you could just put on your bottom lashes for a nice little pop, or you could just apply it all over your eyelashes for a fun little different look. That is the completed eye look. I'm really happy with it, and the base is also complete, but now we're going to do the lips. We're doing the LA Colors lip liner pencil in the shade Natural, and we're going to just fill in our lips. It's a nice natural nude color. This lip pencil formula is so nice and buttery and soft and easy to sharpen. This formula is really long lasting, and it can help your lipstick last really long too, but you're not going to need it with this Revlon Colorstay Suede Ink lipstick, and I'm using the shade Want It All. These lipsticks, like I said in my last tutorial, are so long lasting. We're going to deepen it up with the Colorstay Matte Light Crayon in the shade On Cloud Wine, which I will buy anything with the name cloud in it, but it's a nice vampy purple. You could probably just do the dark purple for this look. It would be really cool and vampy, but I decided to do a little bit more purpley pink. I'm also going to use this Charlotte Tilbury little mini lipstick that I got for free with my Sephora order, mainly because it was so cute and I wanted to nude it out a little bit. I think next time if I were to wear this, I think I would go with a full vampy dark almost black purple, but I decided to keep it with this. And for some more pizzazz, we're using the Revolution Beauty Glitter Brows Brow Gel. This stuff is stunning and perfect for concerts. I'm definitely going to be doing this for the concert. But look how stunning that is. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Here's a nice little shot in the sunlight. I was super happy with how this turned out, and I hope you really enjoyed the look. It was very fun for me to do. I feel like if you wanted to do anything else, you could add some little rhinestones, but I feel like this is enough glitter without being too crazy, and it's nothing too complex. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. And before I forget, don't forget that you are loved, you are cared for, you matter, and make sure that you're spending your days also showing that to other people so that they feel loved and accepted in this world, because you never know what someone is going through, and maybe you saying something so nice to them will make a difference. But anyways, have a great day. Bye.